Hello everybody. Right now we are looking west on the Lordstown secondary of Norfolk Southern, and you can tell, like, as you see right now, the tracks are completely underwater. Now, we just missed the train. It was going west. I'll probably catch it later in the week, but look at this. This is why I haven't had Ohio Central videos, guys, because Ohio Central cannot get through this water. Check this out. Total washout here on the Lordstown secondary. Now, here's track 1 right here. It goes right here, completely underwater. Now, with all the rain and stuff, this is why the tracks are flooded. Now, if I take you guys over here, right over here, you could tell the river is completely overflowed. Check that out. But that's the Lordstown secondary, guys. Completely flooded. I've never saw it like this before. But yeah, guys, just quick little video. Maybe Norfolk Southern might be getting held up now, but I do know I just missed it and went plowed through the water. Somebody told me earlier. So yeah, guys, this is it. I don't know if I can get a video of the train going through the water because I have no clue when it will come again. Now, from camera angle, the tracks may look like they're above water. As you look real close, you can see the ripples of the water going right over the rails. Now, the track right there serves a company right behind me, right over here. Obviously, the train cannot get through this because all the vegetation and stuff over here. But that'll be it, guys. Total overflow on the Lordstown secondary. So, we'll see what we can do about this. Let's see what happens here later in a week. Come back and check it out. So, yeah, guys, that'll be it. Enjoy the rest of your day. See you guys. Bye.